the final day of the Rising Baller Ball Mastery program. I hope by now that this program has given you a high level of confidence going forward with your footballing journey, as well as increasing your balance and creativity on the ball. But every day is a new day. We have new exercises to do. Let's see how you go. To perform the sole Cruyff, pull the ball towards your standing leg, then chop the ball with the inside of your opposite foot. Touch the ball with the inside of your foot, then step around the ball with the same foot. With the sole of one foot, drag the ball towards the inside of your opposite foot to push the ball continuously. Using the sole of your foot, roll the ball across your body and then chop behind the leg with the inside of your opposite foot. Perform an L drag followed by a sole roll across the body to repeat the move. To begin the risen ball mastery pattern, perform the sole croif and stop the ball with the sole of your right foot. Then perform the sole step over with your right foot and place the sole of your left foot on the ball to do the switch inside push pull. Move into an L drag and then place the sole of your right foot on top of the ball to do an inside touch step over. Finish up by chopping the ball back towards your opposite side on the ball. And this is how you do the risen pattern on your left side.
Congratulations on completing the Rising Baller Ball Mastery program. It doesn't stop here though. You can still go back to the program and perfect the ball mastery patterns and foundational skills. Make it harder by increasing your foot speed and your footwork with the ball, and you'll be able to take your ball control, creativity, and confidence on the ball even higher than after completing this program for the first time. Please scroll down to the bottom of this program and click on the survey link to give me as much feedback as possible. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this ball mastery program. If I get some good feedback, I might be able to do up an intermediate ball mastery program. See you guys later.